Hi everyone, I'm Ariel Russo, Senior Product Marketing Manager here at PagerDuty, and today I'm excited to share with you some new enhancements to our SRE agent. During an incident, there are many competing priorities requiring responder attention. Responders lose time swiveling between tools to gather context during triage, and AI-gathered insights can be siloed. This disconnect slows resolution and inhibits continuous learning, leading to repeat issues. PagerDuty's SRE agent breaks down those silos by gathering signals from across your stack to help teams triage, diagnose, and remediate using memory from past incidents, and it continuously learns to improve future responses. Earlier this year, we announced that we are putting the SRE agent on call as a virtual responder. And since then, we've been continuously rolling out enhancements to make the SRE agent even better. Today, I want to focus on a few big updates before we jump into the demo. First, SRE agent can now be intelligently triggered via escalation policies or incident workflows to conduct triage. This means the SRE agent can be configured to jump into action the moment an incident triggers, or upon meeting criteria such as priority or severity. It joins the incident pre-armed with triage data and memory of past incidents to jumpstart analysis and remediation. And all of this can happen before a responder even acknowledges the incident. Second, we introduced a new configuration experience that makes it easy to extend and customize the agent's capabilities for more precise triage through connectors, tools, and skills. Third, we heard from customers that they want more flexibility to specify which teams can access agents. PagerDuty Advanced team-level permissions allow organizations to scope AI to specific teams, providing the governance layer that makes enterprise AI adoption viable. And finally, in addition to investigation and diagnosis, the SRE agent can also suggest resolution steps with recommended incident workflows. The agent will analyze your current configured workflows and recommend the right course of action based on the incident context. Let's take a closer look to see it all in action. Note that some of these visuals represent features phasing in as part of early access, and the final product is subject to change. Let's start with getting our agent set up as a virtual responder. Here you can see we've assigned the SRE agent to an escalation policy. Escalation policies automate incident assignment and connect services to individual users and/or schedules. Now, when an incident triggers on a particular service, the SRE agent will begin autonomous triage and investigation before any responder is even notified. Let's walk through the new configuration experience for agent connectors, tools, and skills. Connectors let you plug the SRE agent into third-party data sources like Grafana, New Relic, Honeycomb, and more via MCP or API. Just enter your credentials and authorize. From there, you can select tools. Tools enable the agent to retrieve logs, metrics, and traces from observability platforms, in this case Datadog, or pull context from knowledge bases like Confluence or GitHub. This gives the SRE agent the ability to perform more rapid triage and diagnosis. Skills arm the agent with custom instructions and domain expertise, giving it specialized capabilities tailored to your environment. Users can rapidly create skills directly from within Claude or PagerDuty that can then be leveraged by the SRE agent when users work from Slack or from within the PagerDuty web platform. Finally, we can use PagerDuty Advanced team-level permissions to control which teams get access to the agent. Now that we have our configuration sorted, let's take a look at how this comes together in the form of an incident. We already set up the SRE agent to autonomously triage via escalation policies earlier, so now when I click the SRE agent icon in Slack, I can see the information it was able to analyze in the click of a button. Let's ask it to recommend a workflow based on this context. It recommended to run the workflow called DBRE Mitigate Writer Saturation, and it even explained the reasoning of why it made this suggestion. I think this is a solid suggestion, so let's go ahead and run the workflow. We see the workflow started, and now that it's completed, I'm going to go ahead and resolve using the / command. So this is how we deliver on autonomous operations. turning today's incidents into tomorrow's prevention through data at scale, intelligent automation, and a flywheel that makes your operations smarter over time. Want to try some of the early access features you just saw? Sign up at pagerduty.com/early access.